Hello and welcome to Unit 5. Now, this particular week, this is our lead up to the final project. Once again, I have posted in an announcement the teams of two, probably 2 weeks ago. And if you have not taken a look at the mastery and presentation assignments and started to get an idea of how to put that together, you need to do that quickly because that is coming up on you within moments. Now, this week we get into the discussion, and I'll talk more about the discussion in the discussion post, but we deal more with moving beyond just Excel and starting to look on Visual Basic items for things greater than Excel. Additionally, and I kind of wanted to go through, I've opened up the mastery and presentation, and I just wanted to read it for you, not because you are not able to read it for yourself, but it'll give you a reference to go, oh, that's what he's talking about in case there's a problem. It says, as a group, you will be tasked with using the solution below to solve the problem for the fictional business. As a team, you will be responsible for creating a VBA solution that solves a problem and a PowerPoint presentation that you will present through a web recording. Screencast-O-Matic is my preference. Okay, just do it in Screencast-O-Matic. Upload it to YouTube. Awesome. Or, as long as it gets in YouTube, great. As if you were presenting a solution to the president of the company. Each of you will be responsible for participating in the project and in the recording presentation, but only one learner will need to submit both the VBA script, Excel document, and the YouTube link for the group presentation for the Unit 6 Mastery assignment. This assignment will be due in Unit 6. There will be a discussion board progress check in Unit 5. The instructor will create groups at the beginning of Unit 1. I've already put out groups so you're aware of those, and I told you to kind of look at that. So make sure you're touching base, because when I do grades for this particular class, I don't have a choice to go, oh, I can just push this off past this due date. No, I have to give it in at a certain time. I'm required to get it in by that due date. Need to make that happen. And it's using the calculate estimates, and you go in and you create a worksheet involving this thing. So that's the first one. Your second one is you have an essay. And what it says for the essay is, in today's ever-changing business world, automation is becoming more and more prevalent. Businesses are looking for individuals who can automate processes to become more efficient and eliminate waste. An employee who understands the value of automated and streamlined business solutions will help the company gain a competitive edge by using innovation. Prepare a 750-word minimum paper excluding title, page, and reference. Your essay should be double-spaced using 12-point Times New Roman font. Please ensure that your essay addresses the following. And then it goes into that. Once again, the reason I read those two bits is so when you're opening up those particular assignments, you have a reference to what they are. And if you haven't done that, please do that quickly. That was my scared for you face. So please take a look at that. Otherwise, I like what you've done so far. The videos help out tremendously. The discussions have been really good. Also note that this week I started summarizing what everybody has written. So if you look at the summaries in each discussion, it just kind of quotes some things out that I thought were good to use, good that people brought up, and to kind of go through those things as appropriate. So thank you very much for your time. Look forward to seeing what your projects are.